Hey, welcome back to TAC Pack Tuesday. So this is actually the January Tac Pack. So why are we doing it here at the beginning of February? Well, I was at SHOT Show for TAC Pack Tuesday for January. So this showed up while I was at SHOT Show, showing that wonderful footage that you guys have been watching for the last week or so. Posting, God, almost every single day. This is actually a pretty interesting tac pack. We're going to start with the dye-free company Tiger Claw. The Tiger Claw is a nice little mount that you can put on there. This is interesting, designed for rifles with an M-LOK forend. Tiger Claw by Defco is a 10-degree angled foregrip. So let's open this up and take a look. I love foregrips. And with the new AR-10 rifle build that we're going to be doing soon, this might just work out just perfectly. So there's your M-LOK pieces, and there's your foregrip. Now that's interesting. Oh, wow. I can tell you right now by how this feels. I already like this quite a bit. Just the grip on it's pretty darn good. We will be putting this on one of our weapons. Even if it's not going to intend to stay there, I want to see how it works. So we'll be doing an actual full review of this. So that was the first thing that's on the list for this tac pack. Let's put that aside. Next thing is the GPS magazine holder. This holds 8 AR-15 style mags or up to 10 pistol style mags. Let's pop this open and take a look. All right, so I'm already a big fan of the GPS products. Big fan of those. I like their cases. I've been using them for years. So this is actually pretty interesting. So if I grab a magazine, it'll fit right inside. And then I can either put this over or through the magazine here and secure it. We'll put 4 on each side. You know what? That's bloody cool. And then it's got this like handle to hold on to it. I really like that. And as always, if you want to put your GPS patch on someplace else or put your patch here, you can. That's actually very, very cool. I like it. And then each of these would hold probably 2 pistol magazines. But overall, when you have a lot of magazines to carry, I think this is going to work just fine. Let's move that aside. We have the SOG TerraGrip camping knife. Now, if you watch my channel for a while, you understand that I have a passion for knives. I love knives. This looks more like a more of a cooking knife than it does a camping knife. Non-slip handle, serrated edge, and a 6.3-inch steel blade. All right, that's actually not too bad. That's interesting. All right, give me a second. We'll open it up. All right, let's look at this knife here. We do have a serrated edge here. That's, oh my God, that's sharp as hell. And this blade is not fooling around. That is just razor blade sharp. And I know everyone says that, but I'm telling you right now, it is super, super sharp. Now, the handle, when I grip it, that's pretty rock solid. I mean, I have control of the knife. I like that. And then, let's see how well it fits inside its sheath. You always gotta be careful with sheaths because not all of them are built really well. Wow, that actually is not bad at all. I would probably use this blade. I mean, God, that texture right there, that rubber is just sticky enough to hold your hand, but not be overly sticky. I like this knife a lot. We'll probably do a full review of this knife in the near future and put it through its paces. But overall, not disappointed. So the next thing that we're going to look at is these shoot and see targets. Now, we all have these. You know, you shoot it, you get a nice big green splotch like it's represented here. When I'm sighting in a rifle, I absolutely love having these. These are fantastic. But, you know, if I could only tell you how many of these that I have. But, I mean, always having more is not a bad thing at all. And the plus item we have is these front and rear sights. MFT backup sights. You got your front and your rear here. Now, these retail for about $225 for the pair. They're built on a Picatinny system. Not too bad. Your backup iron sights. Now, for AR-15s and AR-10s, where you're often building, from the barrel out and the action out, a lot of these don't come with sights, so these would be perfect. So we will be doing a full review on the Mission First MFT backup sights, and these will end up probably being the primary sights for the rifle. So look for that soon. And last but not least, our Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtle sticker. So this will end up into the sticker pile, which will probably raffle off the whole packet of stickers sometime here in the near future. So make sure that you subscribe so you don't miss the TAC Pack box openings that we do on Tuesdays, or TAC Pack Tuesdays. And we will be giving away a bunch of these stickers, and we'll probably be giving away some of the TAC Pack items as well. And all you have to do is subscribe and watch and like. All right, that's it for this TAC Pack Tuesday. This month, we'll have another one here, probably in just a couple of weeks, when TAC Pack sends us our other plus box. We thank you for watching. Please remember to like and subscribe, and we will see you in a couple of weeks. Thank you.